went to space just to be like, yeah, here's our vacuuming it in the afternoon. And, you know, she's gonna vacuum again friggin' later. We'll post both of these. The other one. I don't know what it started. It started like it's been a while. So she's been vacuuming a while. That's why I just wanted to check in. Yep, she's still vacuuming. You know she's gonna vacuum later. And like I said, just in case I don't post the other one, it's not. She's vacuuming 2 o'clock. Yeah, I think she started at 2 o'clock actually. So she's been vacuuming like a half hour. And it's not she's doing it this early or anything like that. It's she's gonna do it again. She's gonna do it late at night. Like you vacuum today. Why do you need to vacuum more? And why do you need to vacuum at 10 o'clock at night? Oh, you don't. You're doing it to be fucking assholes. Because nobody in their fucking right mind thinks, oh, I live in an apartment building with other people, so I'm gonna vacuum at, 10 o'clock at night. Nobody does. Unless you're entitled pieces of shit.